fractions can be fun in any game. Imagine someone playing this card game. One half plus 1/3. Yes, if you guess it is 5/6 is correct. Click on the green card to crash it in the race. One-eighth plus 1/2. Yes, if you guess it is 5/8. Click on the green card to crash it and win race. Objectives. At the end of the lesson, students should be able to 1. Identify the steps when adding unlike fractions. 2. Apply the steps when adding unlike fractions. To add unlike fractions, there are 4 steps. Step 1. Make sure the bottom numbers, the denominators, are the same. If they are not the same, then find the LCM or LCD, lowest common multiple or denominator. This becomes your new denominator. Step 2. After finding the LCM or LCD, the number you multiply by to get this LCM or LCD is the same number you multiply by to get the new numerators. Step 3. Add the top new numbers, the numerators. Put that answer over the new denominator. Step 4. Simplify the fraction if required.
Adding unlike fractions. Now, in adding unlike fractions, you're supposed to change both the denominator and the numerator. Let us look. You have 1/2 plus 1/3. Now you must change the denominators to a common number. You're supposed to find what is called the LCM or the LCD, lowest common denominator, or lowest common multiple. And in order to find that, you look for the multiples of 2 and 3 and the lowest common one. And in this case, it's what is 6. You can multiply the 2 by that 3. That's a little trick. For some examples, it will work. The 2 multiplied by the 3 and the 3 multiplied by 2. So what number multiplied by 2 is going to give me 6? That's 3. 3 times 2 is 6. And you multiply the numerator by that same number 3. 3 times 1 is 3 here. You see that? Look here. What number multiply 3 by to give me 6, and that's 2. 2 times 3 is 6. And you multiply that same number by the numerator. So it's 2 times 1 is 2. So you add that. So it becomes 3 plus 2, that's 5. 5 over what? 5/6. That's your answer here. In looking at the one below, you have 1/8. 1/8 plus 1/2. And the LCM, lowest common one for both of them, is actually what? 8. Okay, it's actually 8. So what number multiplied by 8 by to give me 8? That's 1. Multiply 1 on top here to give me 1. What number multiplied by 2 to give me 8? That's 4. 4 times 2 is 8. And 4 times the numerator 1, know that they're the same number. 4 times 1 is 4. So your answer now, 1 plus 4 is 5. 5/8. So bear in mind that when you add unlike fractions, you find the LCM or LCD, and you change the numerators accordingly.